y'all. How's everybody doing? Hope y'all had a good day, night, evening, whatever. Y'all, we about to go to another reaction. What I'm doing is winding back in the YNW Melly's case because you're going to see some of the witnesses, same witnesses on that going to take the stand. You're going to might see new witnesses. I don't know, but you definitely might see this one right here. He was one of witness for Melly. So y'all remember when I showed y'all this video right here? Everything I say is allegedly. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so when I go live you'll know. Y'all, and these are my opinion, not necessarily based on facts and knowledge. Okay. Now y'all remember when I showed y'all this video right here early? Okay. Now I think I know which one. He's so young on here. I don't know which one is this dude right here that we're gonna get into today. So I'm gonna get some more people trying to get up in here. Okay. Hold on for a minute. Don't start. Don't start. Sit down. If y'all hear me fussing at somebody, be the little dogs, okay? All right, y'all, I'm gonna get about 5 more people. I'm not a type that wait on the crowd, so I'm gonna give about 5 more people time to. And they don't. I'm gonna go ahead on and get started. But y'all remember, I'm not gonna show this whole video, but I'm gonna show you which one of the boys that we're gonna talk about. And the reason why, when I show y'all, I have a purpose for showing you all certain things, and my purpose is they may be taking the stand again. So we looked at Jacoby earlier. This dude right here digging in the nose, who claimed that some spirits touched him and he rolled out on the car, and I ain't see none of it. So we talked about him. So we're gonna get into the next boy. The next boy that we're gonna talk about. Let me see, which one is he? I don't know. Okay, he look like he's slimmer on this video, so I don't know which one is he. But I'm just want to show y'all which one we're gonna talk about. Okay. He's gonna get in the red car. So I don't know which one is he, because he young and he was slimmer when he young. That joker right there, that Jacoby something else, boy. So I'm waiting on dude. I don't know if it's him. He look young. I don't know if that's Glass, the boy that we gonna talk about, because this guy here is slimmer than the guy who we about to watch his testimony again. Because some of my people workers, y'all step in now, step on in, because you know y'all miss a lot. Okay, I don't know if this dude, I don't know if that, I don't know their name now, y'all. Like y'all know everybody's name. I think it's this boy, R. Now that's Melly'S. I'm waiting on one more boy. That's Jacoby. Waiting on the other boy. That's Juvie. What other boy? Huh? Somebody little. Oh, well, it must be him, but I don't know if it's him or the boy just what. Well, anywho, I don't know these chillings. Okay, so we're gonna look at his testimony again. If you've seen this, it's okay, y'all. If y'all don't know what's going on in the video, just chill and watch it, okay? Because ain't nobody gonna start over. Just catch up. But we got 44 people watching my video. Can y'all please hit the like button? That's all YouTube wants y'all to do. Okay. I'm gonna put this sign up for.
Spelled or last name. You touch it. James, that's the microphone in front of you. Will adjust up or down, but does not move back and forth. Okay, ready to go? Yeah. Council, you may proceed. Good morning. How old are you? 24. Have you ever been convicted of a crime?
Objection, no. Your Honor, it's not the poster.
Do you have a nickname? Yes. What is it? AD. Okay. First of all, take your hands off.
Oh, that's AD.
You know someone by the name of Anthony Williams?
Yes.
You know what his nickname is?
Sad.
Do you know someone by the name of Christopher Thomas?
Yes.
You know what his name is?
Julie.
Do you know a person by the name of Cortland Henry?
Yes.
And you know his name?
Yes.
What is it? You know, I'm sorry.
Boy.
B-O-R-D. Do you know, Jamel?
Yes.
You see him in the courtroom today?
Yes.
Would you point him out for us?
Yeah.
This young man right there?
Yes.
You know him by another name?
Melly.
Do you know someone by the name of Trevon Glass?
Yes.
Do you know his nickname?
Fetty.
Do you know someone by the name of Jacoby Mills?
Yes.
And do you know his name?
Kobe.
And how about, do you know someone by the name of Dontavius Withers?
Yes.
And do you know his name?
Tape.
Let's start off with the first individual I named, Anthony Williams, also known as Sam. How did you meet him?
9th to 10th grade school.
How about Christopher Thomas? How did you meet him?
During school.
Cortland or Cortland Henry?
Met him at elementary.
How about Melly?
6th grade.
Trevon Glass.
Probably during school, 9th to 10th grade.
And his nickname was
Fetty.
Jacoby Mills.
Since elementary.
All of y'all went to school together.
And finally, Dontavius Withers.
Down here. Fort Lauderdale.
Mm-hmm.
So you went to school with Williams, Thomas, Henry, Melly, Glass.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
Everybody's father. At any time during school, did any of you have any
What?
problems with each other?
No, not at all.
Would you label yourself good friends, associates, close friends, or what?
Good friends, close friends.
That's exactly correct.
Now, did Melly also have another name besides Melly and Jamel?
Yeah. What's up? We only called that Crazy Legs.
Crazy Legs.
Yeah.
And why was he called Crazy Legs?
Because he liked to dance.
And that's why he got that name.
Yeah.
Was Melly a big kid, normal size kid when you guys were in school?
Small.
Did there come a time that Melly, and when I'm referring to Melly, I'm referring to this young man,
Yes.
did there come a time that Melly got involved in the music industry,
Yes.
specifically rap music?
Yeah, back then.
you still live up in that area?
No, sir.
Where do you live?
West Palm.
By the way.
Yeah, Bruno.
This is how you can uncover
Yeah,
all
this
the secrets
medication.
of your family that no one ever told you.
I wasn't trying to ignore you. I be trying to listen to them. I'm sorry.
What do you do for a living?
My granddad owns properties, rental properties and stuff, real estate. So we just cut grass, paint, whatever we need to do, keep the properties up.
I want to draw your attention to the year of 2008. Did there come a time that you came down to Broward County, Miramar, Florida?
Yes.
About when was that?
I don't remember exactly, but I want to say probably like September, July, something.
Okay. And where did you stay?
At Jamel's house.
Who else was living at Jamel's house when you came down in August or September of 2018?
Me, Jacoby, Melly'S, Juvie,
Julie was Christopher Thomas.
yes, Tay, and Courtland.
And was Melly in the rap music business at that time?
Yes, I believe so. Yeah.
Did you all get along together?
Yes.
Were there ever any arguments, fights amongst you guys?
No.
And is that where you met Dontavius Withers?
Yes.
And does he have a name?
Tay.
Let me ask y'all something. All of them were childhood and school friends. What did Juve and Sat Chase do to some people to make them take them out of here like that? What did they do to somebody? Cause then the owner too was taken out. And all of them were school friends. And ain't nobody talking for nobody.
Who was paying the bills at the house?
I don't know, but I'm pretty sure Melly was.
Let's go to the day of October 25th, and so you have an idea where I am. This incident that we're here on occurred in the early morning hours of October 26th. Okay? And I'm referring to the shootings of Anthony Williams and Christopher Thomas. On October 25th, the morning of, during the day, what were you doing?
Just chilling at the house and smoking and drinking.
Okay. Who were you smoking and drinking with?
Jacoby, Tay, everybody who usually be at the house.
Okay.
Williams,
Yeah.
Thomas,
Yes.
Camper. Excuse me,
Portland
y'all.
Henry,
Yes.
Trevon Glass,
Yes.
Dontavius Withers.
Yes.
And were there plans to go to a recording studio that evening?
Yes.
Did you in fact go to the recording studio?
Yes.
And that was after.
Okay, y'all, you know, earlier we did the other boy, but we doing him now. This is the studio what they talking about. Remember when we went over there? I think this him. I think this one he is him, but I don't know the difference between him and Glass. Him, this boy right here. Stinging now. I get him mixed up with Glad. Cause he don't gain some weight. So I didn't know whether that was him. If that's the one on the stand now. I want to see the one on the stand. Or is it with Glass? Because the other boy looked little. Yeah, that might be him. I'm not sure.
see? Yes? All right.
It's Kobe. That's Juvie. See, that dude right there, he little. He's little. He don't look like the boy on the stand, so I don't know if that's him. Is that Glass? Either that's Glass right there. I don't know which one of them boys. Y'all know about them boys better than me. But I think he was the one that I picked with the dreads, but I'm not sure. I just want to show y'all that.
You all were, for lack of a better term, smoking dope, weed, right? Had a few drinks. Yeah. What was the drink of choice on curiosity? Hennessy. Who all went to the studio?
Me, Jacoby, Melly'S, Juvie, Cortland, Trayvon, and Tate.
Did you all go in the same car?
No,
Yes.
Going to the studio,
Okay, thank you, baby.
approximately what time did you get there?
I don't remember.
Was it during the day or not?
That night,
Did you go in the same car or were there two
we
cars?
took 2 cars,
What type of cars were they?
a Jeep and Mitsubishi,
What color was it?
red.
Will you tell this jury who got into the red Mitsubishi to go to the studio?
Me, Jacoby, Tate, and Fetty, Trayvon.
And who got into the Jeep to go to the studio?
Melly, Juvie, and Boyd.
Do you know who drove the Mitsubishi to the studio?
Tate,
That would be Contradictions with it.
yeah.
Do you know who drove the Jeep to the studio?
I think Boyd did.
Okay, that would be
Cortland, yeah.
And what was the purpose of going to the studio?
To make music.
Did anyone fall asleep at the studio?
Yes.
Who?
We all did.
That's sad.
That was from the day of smoking weed and having a few drinks.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Did any arguments occur between any of you at the studio?
Not at all.
Did there come a time
Y'all ain't gonna tell me that y'all in there rapping and everybody in there with their eyes closed can get robbed or knocked upside the head or something like that. All of y'all in there sleep. Oh Lord, how much is Jesus? I'm sorry, y'all ain't gonna start.
that you all left?
Oh Lord, have mercy.
Your style.
They couldn't hang with me back in the days.
Publishing. Helping authors.
All left the studio.
Yes.
Did you leave the studio earlier than what was scheduled?
Yeah, I believe so. So we were all in there sleep.
Will you tell the jury who got into the red Mitsubishi?
Me, Jacoby, Trayvon, and Tate, not Travius.
Do you know who got into the Jeep?
Cortland, Jamel,
I thought he already asked him.
Zach, and Juvie.
Where were you going? Did anyone fall asleep in your car?
Yeah, we like all did except for the driver.
Did there come a time?
Well, Jacoby said he went to sleep, so you probably went to sleep. But Jacoby said him and I guess him and the driver was awake. Y'all something else, man.
That you were woken up
over, and that's when Melly got in the car with us.
You know where you pulled over?
And I don't really remember.
Were you woken up?
Yeah, but
Why?
it was like, because I was getting pushed over a little bit.
What? Because you got tipped over a little bit. Boy, cut it out.
And are you 100% sure that this young man got into the red Mitsubishi?
Yes.
What
You
happened?
friend, don't you start it.
And I think they just kept going.
Where'd you go?
Dawg, why they turn the mic down?
Did he have to unlock the door?
Yes.
Do you know who has the keys to Melly's house on October 26th in the early morning hours?
Jamel and Borton, they the only one who had keys to the house.
Did you have a key to the house?
No,
Did Williams have a key to the house?
no,
Did Christopher Thomas have a key to the house?
no,
Did Trevon Glass have a key to the house?
no,
Did Jacoby Mills have a key to the house?
no,
And how about Octavius Williams? Did he have a key?
no.
So you gonna tell me y'all supposed to be on y'all way home and Melly, y'all beat Melly home, but Melly them was in front of y'all. Y'all so good. So how y'all get in the house?
So the only two people you know who had a key to the house was this young man
Yes,
and Cortland Henry.
yes.
Courtney Henry. So the driver and the passenger, they in the same car with the two young men who oh Lord, have mercy, Jesus.
Did you see this young man unlock the door of the house?
Yes.
Who was the last person to get out of the red Mitsubishi to go inside the house?
Trayvon, he was in the car still asleep.
He was in the car asleep when you got to his house?
Yeah.
You sure?
Did you see where Melly went?
To his room.
And where was his bedroom?
When you first walked in the house, can't miss it, it's right down the left.
Okay. This is a 1 or 2 story house.
2.
Where did you go? Where did Octavius Withers go? Where? I'll bring it up. Okay. Do you know where Octavius Withers went?
To his room upstairs.
Do you know where Trevon Glass went?
To the room upstairs.
Do you know where Jacoby Mills went?
He slept on me.
So the 3 of you, the 4 of you went upstairs, correct? And this young man went into his bedroom.
Yes.
Yeah, he lying. Cause Jacoby, unless Jacoby lying, Jacoby act like Melly wasn't even there. Jacoby said all of them was asleep, except for him and somebody else was awake. And they stayed up because he had received a phone call from his mama. That was Jacoby said. That somebody said that they got shot up. That's what he said. His mama said. That, oh Lord, how much. And he said Melly wasn't even at home. That's what Jacoby said. But he said Melly was at home.
How many people went upstairs to go to sleep?
3.
And you?
Yeah.
That would be
Me, Jacoby, Melly. Well, no, Melly was downstairs in his room. Me.
So if they not making Melly look good at all, y'all, because where is Juvie and Sat Chase? They stay in the same house these boys here. They sleeping all up there where Juve and Sat Shakes sleep. And not one time y'all didn't say where's Juve and where's Sat Chase. And y'all know they stay in their house. Ooh, Lord have mercy.
Freddie, and Ted. So 4 of us.
Okay. And Melly went to his bedroom.
Yes.
Did there come a time in the early morning hours that you were woken up and heard some distressing news?
Yes.
What did you hear?
That second Julie was shot.
So you come on, man. Y'all hear this boy talking? It don't even make sense. Melly and Henry was in the same car with the 2 boys. So why he ain't hear about the shooting that night when Melly came home? Why Melly didn't come home? Man, they shot up Juvie and whatever he called Juvie and Sat. Man, they shot the boy. He ain't said nothing. And they just found out the next day that they was shot. Y'all making Melly look so ooh, Lord have mercy. Stop, Campbell.
You heard that. Did you see Melly in the house?
Yes.
Did you see Melly how he was dressed in the house?
Yes.
What was he wearing?
Shorts and a t-shirt. Okay.
Upon hearing that Zach and Juvie, I really should use the correct names, Anthony Williams and Christopher Thomas.
His story not mentioned with Jacoby's story, y'all. His story, and I know he gonna come back, he gonna be in that trial. His story is not mentioned with Jacoby. And I know they probably have Jacoby in the trial like that. That 2 of your homies just got no to go to bed. Hey, how am I go to? You can't do that. Hey, Kevin, you can't do that.
Shot. What did you guys do?
We were already dressed and stuff, so we just left with Fredo's house.
Was anybody upset or crying?
Yeah, we all.
Jacoby don't mess y'all up, Chad. Jacoby ain't saying what you saying. Jacoby make y'all story look bad, boy. Jacoby gonna come in there talking and he gonna get out of jail soon. He probably be in a hideout somewhere. Jacoby gonna tell on all of them.
Was this young man crying?
Yes.
Are you sure of that?
Positive.
What? When Melly was crying? That's not what Jacoby. That's not not what Jacoby said. He was gonna cry. That is. Tell him he showed him.
And where did you go?
Fredo's house.
Fredo, the one came and pick up Melly.
Yeah.
You know Fredo?
Fredo, he ain't gonna make it with that. He can't say that same story. Boy, he cannot say that same story, y'all. He can't say that same story right there when he go to trial. If he used that story right there, he gonna make them look stupid. Because it put Jacoby on the stand, boy. Jacoby gonna tell everything. But Jacoby told a lie talking about the spirit pushed him against the card. And it stopped him from getting in. Oh, Lord have mercy, Jesus. Whew.
Really? Forever given by any chance?
Yeah, I think I've seen it.
did there come a time after you got to the house of Fredo Bang that Cortland Henry showed up?
Yes.
Did Cortland Henry tell you?
Well, hold up. You mean to tell me who brought Melly home? Because the car was at the hospital. So who brought Melly home? Fredo's supposed to be the one picked him up, allegedly. But then y'all go over Fredo's house? Boy. Y'all gonna hear Melly up in the corner, watch to see.
What happened?
Yeah, he said it was a drive-by.
Thank you, Kevin.
When Cortland Henry arrived at Fredo Bang's house, was Melly there?
Yes.
And Corley went back over there. Man, y'all saw what happened. Oh man, don't be saying nothing about that because this may get us locked up. Don't be telling them nothing. So after he just left the hospital, Cortland go over there the next day. Cortland came in the hospital. Why they got him in the hospital bed? And he was the man. Know what happened? Lord have mercy. Goodness. Ooh.
Did you eventually leave that house?
Yes.
Approximately what time did you leave that house?
I really don't remember.
Y'all smoke too much.
At Jamel's house.
Who went with you?
Me, Trayvon, Jacoby, and Fetty.
By the way, when you first learned that Anthony Williams and Christopher Thomas were shot at the house with Melly, did
Sit down.
anyone get on the phone?
Yeah.
Did anyone have any problem locating their phone?
Yes.
Who was that?
Jamel.
What? Melly, what? I know he didn't do it. I know he didn't find his phone all that shooting he did. All that shit they did in that car. I know that phone probably done shot up and everything bent and everything else in the bushes. And his phone was working because he said that they said his mama called him. They need to get their story together.
You, when I backed up for a minute, you were telling the jury
Thank you.
that you went back to Melly's house. You got an answer, yes or no?
Oh, yes.
She can't say that.
See, y'all, I knew he messed up. That's why that attorney knew he messed up. That's why he went back. He just talking.
How'd you get in?
The door was unlocked.
Were you aware whether or not Melly had a contractual agreement to do a video shoot that day?
Yeah, it was something like that. I know he probably would have lost a lot of money if he didn't go to the music video. He was upset.
Melly crying at Frito Bank's house?
Yes.
You crying?
Yes.
Because you all grew up together.
Yes.
Y'all, Frito Bang, he think he don't got away with not going to court. The court don't start until trial don't start the next year. He gonna have to go to court, watch and see. So he better enjoy his day off with his attorney, cause he ain't gonna be able to get out of it. He got away with the tampering, the witness tampering. But he ain't gonna get away with this trial. So he might well go on head on and get his hair together.
Now,
Wellness knows you love your pet.
He looking like, don't ask me no more
Wow,
question, man.
like daily face kisses, no person.
Yeah, y'all sit up.
did you in fact tell this, what happened on October 25th and 26th to this particular prosecutor?
Yes.
Were any of us, any of the lawyers present? Objection, relevance.
Look at that. That don't make no sense.
Did you tell the prosecutor
Kappa.
when you spoke to the prosecutor, were you under oath,
Yes.
sworn to tell the truth?
Yes.
That don't mean he told the truth.
Are you 100% sure that Melly got into the red Mitsubishi to go home?
Yes.
Are you 100% sure that this young man learned of the shooting of his friends?
Wait a minute. Did y'all hear what he just asked him? He said, he must have smoked a little bit before he got there. That's why Maddie looking like that. Like that man said, I was in the red Mitsubishi. That's why Maddie wasn't in no red car. He was in the black car. Look at Maddie said, look at that diamond on told on me. I'm going to let y'all hear that. I'm going to let y'all hear that. Maddie said, Maddie, you just told on me. Here we go. Listen.
Truth.
Yes.
Hey, baby.
Are you 100% sure that Melly got into the red Mitsubishi to go home?
Yes.
Are you 100% sure that this young man learned of the shooting?
Y'all heard what he said. When Melly went home, Melly wasn't in that red car. Melly was in the black car. What is this boy sitting on that stand? Whatever they smoking, they need to stop. Because it messes with their brain. Melly didn't get in that red car right there. Melly got in that black car, gray car, wherever it is right here. He said that he was 100% that Melly got in the red car. Melly got in the black car. Lord have mercy. God, dog it. I'm gonna let y'all hear him say that one more time. Y'all, please start dropping out of school.
And 26 to this particular prosecutor.
Yes.
Were any of us, any of the lawyers present?
Look at him. Joker, sorry.
Did you tell the prosecutor when you spoke to the prosecutor, were you under oath,
Yes.
sworn to tell the truth?
Yes.
Look at that dirty.
Are you 100% sure that Melly got into the red Mitsubishi to go home?
Yes.
Ooh.
100% sure that this young man learned of the shooting of his friends at the exact same time you learned of it?
Yes.
Hey, y'all. Y'all notice that attorney know that the boy messed up on the stand. He was in that gray car. The attorney didn't even ask him that question no more. But that black guy sitting right there, that attorney right there, he caught it. And he looked over there at the prosecutor.
Asked,
Yes.
are you 100% sure that when people were getting on the phone, that this young man was looking for his phone to call people?
Yes.
It's just in the bushes. His phone in the bushes.
May I have one moment? Just
Glass, you messed up, baby. He wasn't in the red car, he was in the black car.
Counsel, is there any question on that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're ready to make a proceed?
Mr. Gates, you said you're 100% sure that Mr. Dennis found out at the same time you did.
Yes.
No questions about that. You're sure he was at that house.
Yes.
And you were upstairs?
Yes, ma'am.
He was downstairs.
Yes.
But you're sure he was there, you could see him. Is that yes?
Yes.
And you are 100% sure his phone was missing.
Yes.
Okay. Why she can say 100%? They got and the defense attorney can't say 100%. Maybe the defense attorney can't say 100%, but the prosecutor can, because I know that she just said, "Are you 100% sure?" But when the defense, I guess the prosecutor can do it because they the one running the show. I guess I'm gonna look that up.
The statement on May 5th, did you ever say that?
objection. It was never asked.
Counsel, I guess.
Yeah, I'm fair with everybody. This prosecutor right here, I am so happy they got rid of her. She got an attitude for nothing. I mean, she don't know these people right here. They just witnesses on the stand. And it look like with everyone she has an attitude. She have an attitude with the the defense team, and the people come on the stand. You can't talk to people in a kind of way.
So we're ready to play.
So, you met with me on May 5th, 2022, remember that?
Yes.
And you remember sitting down, you were present. That's yes.
Yes.
Your two attorneys were present that you brought. That's yes.
Yes.
And I asked you questions for quite a number of hours. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Okay. And do you remember being asked if you had met with anyone else with regards to this case?
Yes.
Okay. Do you remember being asked if you had met prior to speaking with me with the attorney sitting over to my left?
Yes.
Okay.
I didn't know who they were, and my lawyers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I didn't know their name.
See? You slipping. Mm-hmm.
But you remember meeting with them?
Yeah.
Okay. And do you remember being asked a question about what you talked about with them?
Yes.
Did you remember what you told them?
No.
Do you remember what you told them now?
Yes.
So are you telling this jury that when you were speaking with me, you forgot?
As in, what I'm telling them now, as of right now, yes.
So on the phone on that,
Mm-hmm.
do you remember Mr. Devins had a passcode on his cell phone that night?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? And in terms of if you tried to find if there was one on that cell phone,
No.
do you know the passcode?
I don't think so. I don't remember if we have one. We all use this phone sometimes. We all use each other's phones.
So you would use his cell phone?
Why y'all? I don't believe that, 'cause all y'all children like having y'all own cell phone. All of y'all ain't use no Melly phone. Y'all like, man, I got 5 children. They grown. All 5 of them have their phone. They own phones. Now come on, man. Stop acting like these folks ain't got no children. May be old, but we ain't stupid.
regards to your living situation there, you were not paying any rent, right?
No, ma'am.
And nobody was paying any rent in that house except for the defendant.
Yeah, that's true.
So, do you remember that evening driving to the studio?
Yes.
You remember who was in which car?
On the way there, yes.
You remember who was on each car on the way back?
Yes.
Yeah, they the one turning it down. I don't know why they turning it down. Turn the volume down.
Okay. Were there any threats that were made to anyone that night?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone have any other conversations or discussions about threats from outside parties?
No, ma'am.
Was anyone worried about their safety?
No, ma'am. But Melly's a rapper, you know, he's always gonna be a target. I said he's a rapper, so he's always gonna be a target.
Okay. And do you remember stopping on the side of the road?
Yes.
Where did you stop?
I don't remember. It's like flashes and blinks with drinking and smoking, so I just know we stopped.
You know you stopped.
Yeah.
And do you remember if that was on a highway?
Not at all.
Okay, do you remember if it was on the divided four-lane road?
No, ma'am.
Do you remember if you guys were using GPS to get home?
No, ma'am.
And do you remember if you knew the route home?
No,
Do you remember what phone number you had back then?
no, ma'am.
You don't remember your phone number?
5 years ago, so.
Okay. Do you remember if you were...
Boy, you talking about 5 years ago. You just 24 years old. Y'all young folks, come here now. Y'all got to remember something. You young, you 24 years old and you can't remember that? Talking about that being 5 years ago. You a young man. Jesus.
Just told you. We were asleep.
You were asleep. And you said you were intoxicated?
Yes.
Do you know why your car stopped?
No.
Do you have any conversations or messages with the defendant?
No, ma'am.
Do you have a phone call with him?
No, ma'am.
When you stopped, was it right in front of the radio station?
Yeah, I believe so.
Have you ever answered that question differently?
I don't think so.
If I were to show you your statement from May 5th, 2022, would that help you in answering?
She ain't talking loud.
Just testified today.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, approaching like page 33 of this statement, counsel. Speak silently to yourself.
What line?
Lines 18 through 20.
Basically told that.
Okay, so now your answer is I don't remember if the Jeep was in front or the Mitsubishi was in front.
If you watch the video, they cut off first, so how did it was in front of us?
But you watched the video.
You showed it to me.
In terms of the trial, you've been watching that online.
No, ma'am.
In terms of when you got home, you mentioned that you said Mr. Demons went to his room.
Yes.
Have you ever answered that question differently?
No.
Okay. On May 5th, 2022, remember that statement? At that point, you said, I don't know where he is. And I assume this room.
I don't know.
You don't.
Good, them boys smoking. They don't remember that stuff.
Okay, page 34, lines 12 and 13, counsel. Okay, so did you previously give a different statement that you didn't know where he went and you were assuming he went to his room?
Yeah. When
See, if she was, see, that's why I'm glad that other lady, see, that new prosecutor, she know how to talk to rappers and gangster folks like that real nice, and she know how to get what she want out of them. But come on, you know, young people smoke, so you know they ain't gonna remember too much. So you got to like make them kind of sort of remember. You know what I mean? Don't make them look crazy. They make them. Them boys don't remember that.
So with regards to the car, you're saying that you got pushed over when somebody got in the car?
Yeah.
Okay. And with regards to being pushed over, did you wake up when that happened?
Like it was flashes. Like I guess you could say I woke up.
Okay. And did they move you over or climb over you?
I don't remember.
Have you ever made a statement different than that?
I don't know. I can't remember.
Okay. Again, page 33. Question was asked, did they climb over to get you to the middle over you to get to the middle of the backseat? Your answer was, I think I was at the window, so no, I think they might have climbed over.
Okay.
Did you know you'd be paid $5 to
He
participate?
probably that smoke before he went in there.
That's right.
He old rebel.
In your area.
Oh, Lord.
So, is it your testimony that somebody climbed over you, or you pushed over? Or that you don't remember?
Yeah, I don't really remember.
You don't really remember?
Yeah.
Okay. And in terms of the phone, right? You've seen him get into that region.
No.
You remember going to Frito Bank's house?
Yes.
Okay. And you remember seeing the defendant there? Is that a yes?
Yeah, it was there.
He remember Frito Bang house on it. He remember that part.
Yes.
And you remember leaving there afterwards?
Yes.
And you remember going back to the defendant's house?
Yes.
Okay. And you remember at that point that when you went back to the defendant's house, it was you, Travion, Glass, or Fetty, and Jacoby House. That's it.
Yes, I believe so.
Okay. And you said that you were in and out of sleep and intoxicated.
Yes.
In terms of you remember that Travion was the last person to get out of the car.
Yeah, I believe so. Yes.
You believe so, or you remember? Which is it?
Yes.
And you know, and you mentioned about Mr.
He really did.
Right?
Yes.
So of course you used your phone to call in and try and find it, right?
I don't remember.
You don't remember how he was trying to find his phone?
Just in the house looking for it, just like you would do if you lost yours.
It's in the bushes.
You know, trying to find my iPhone or anything like that. Of course you used yours to do that, right?
I don't remember.
Of course you used something like, you know, an Apple iWatch and set it up.
Testimony that he had it.
I don't remember.
Okay.
One at a time, you ask the question.
So of course he did all that. He went on, find my iPhone, and he's looking for it.
I don't know. I don't remember.
You don't remember. Okay. And of course he is using everybody else's phone to try and find it.
I don't know.
You don't remember. Okay. But conveniently the phone's missing now.
Objection to the state.
Yes.
I sustain the objection.
So with regards to your conversation, you texted back and forth with the defendant prior to this event occurring, right?
Yes.
And he even sent you a picture of his driver's license from that phone number.
Yes.
So you knew Mr. Dennis, the defendant Melly, to use that cell phone 772-713-9807.
I don't know what the number says.
You have it saved in your phone, right?
Yeah, but I can't just remember that phone number like that.
All them boys got their own phone. Even Jacoby got a phone call from his mama. Melly called his mama in the bushes and told his mama he was in the bushes. So he did have his phone. All them boys had their phone.
And your testimony is that he's looking all around.
Yeah.
So in terms of the phone, can you see again, that's it?
I don't remember.
No. And in terms of the phone traveling up to the video shoot up in Cocoa,
Anthony.
Yes. And in terms of the messages and things for Mr. Henry, you're aware that his home was broken at that time, right?
I don't know.
You don't. In terms of Mr. Demons, you know he was dating Mariah Henry.
Yeah.
And you know that Mr. Demons would FaceTime her on a regular basis.
Objection. Objection. There's no evidence of that.
She bringing up Mariah name. Mariah, no, she glad they dropped those charges.
I don't know.
So you know that Mr. Demons would,
Excuse me. Use the correct name.
Mr. Demons, my apologies. Mr. Demons would FaceTime and video chat frequently.
Yes, that's what you got to follow for.
Mm-mm.
And Mr. Davis, you never met with Inspector Marconi? You never did see him?
No, ma'am.
And so the first time that you ever said anything about the phone being missing was today, July 18th, 2023.
Yes, I believe so.
Nothing further down.
Detective Moretti never even talked to you during this investigation, did he?
No, sir.
And the bottom line is, at the time you learned that Christopher and Anthony were shot, Zach and Juvie were shot, this man was at his house, correct?
Yes, sir.
And did you...
Oh, they don't. No. I know what the defense attorney trying to do. He trying to make like. See what Melly did was when he came home that night when he came home, he didn't mention nothing about they got shot. He wait till the next day so it could look like he just found out that they got shot. These kids, y'all, the stuff that y'all do is not slick.
that to the state?
Yes.
And then were they the first ones who contacted you about this case?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Thank you.
This witness excused?
Yes.
Sir, thank you very much. Please step down here.
Yeah, you need to hear him get down. Go back and read your notes, bruh. Cause y'all. I'm telling you, Fredo, what his name? Frito, whatever his name is. He gonna have to testify. He gonna testify because Melly went over his house. Jacoba told us this morning that on the video that we saw this morning, Jacoba said, all of them play this video for at least. Jacoba said, Melly got a call in the bushes. His mama called him. He called his mama. Jacoby got a call from his mama. Melly called all of them mama. Somebody did it for him. And he said he was in the bushes talking to his mama. These little boy, I can't hang. That's why I can't hang. Ooh, Lord, I ain't never been like this. When I was young, I ain't hanging with nobody. I hate that them boys died, though. I wonder why they just couldn't let them live and just leave them alone and stop being around them. Why they can't do that? See, he must be the one on the stand. That's the one you talking about, Willow. That's the one that's left to stand. So that must be, look at Melly. Like ain't nothing happened.
Excuse me, you're able to see? Yes? All right.
And he talking about the ghost kept him. Look at you, Vic. And the boy that came out the stand said that Melly got in that red car. Melly got in that black car, or blue, gray, whatever it is. Melly didn't get in that. Ooh, Lord. And all of them were close, y'all. That's sad.
In your experience,
That's sad. All them boys were close. Y'all, I appreciate y'all watching this with me. I appreciate y'all. If I hear anything else on in the trial that we covering, I'll let y'all know. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.